This is my DIY website and I will now upgrade to a paid plan. This is the home page and I'll click on the admin button to navigate to the admin panel. Then on the left menu, I will select upgrade and billing. There are two options for upgrade here from trial, professional and commerce. Commerce includes the shop features. I will select commerce on and I'll pay per year because I'll get a discount. But there is also a pay per month option here. Pay per year, select. I will be redirected to the Stripe payment system. Stripe is a global leader in online payments. And I'll enter my card details there. That's it. If I go back, I will see that this subscription is already active from here and from here, and I can pull invoices from down there.